2007 Audi A3 Turbo S-Line 2.0 Turbo. Still got factory converter there. Then it's got 2 1/4 all the way back. We added another 2.5 instead of the resonator. And we did 2.5 instead of the muffler, which is gigantic. There's a resonator too. Into 4-inch blue flame tips. Right there. Dual tip. There it is. That's how you guys get them done. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Christmas came early. 2.0 Turbo. Sound decibels, go ahead. 106 is the highest. Go ahead and back it up. You want to keep any of the old stuff? Yeah. Hope you guys like it. A3 2.0 Turbo.